Hey guys, it's Melanie. We're gonna do 3 Dollar Tree crafts again today. I'm super into Dollar Tree crafts. Like that may just be my whole channel from now on. Anyway, you guys, I love these clothespins. I bought them to make, you know, where you take the string. I have the string over here. You take the string and you attach it to the string and then you hang photos. I got that to do something for a project for my daughter's room. But there's 50 in here, so I bought a couple. I had some really cool ideas and I want to show you. Everything's from Dollar Tree and I'm super excited about it. Let's go. All right, guys, so different things that I bought that I'm super interested in. The first thing I bought is one of these. I think I might make like a little picture holder or something with these. These are so cute. The second thing is the cork board. I used half of this cork board for different projects. I'll link it below. It was like a little cup holder. But I wanted to use this in my office space, but I don't want to use the little pins to push in there, because I have small children and makes me a little nervous. So I thought maybe I could like glue these onto it and still get the same effect, but it would just be like I could put my notes on the clips. I don't know, we shall see. Also, if you do notice, I have one of these pens. I talk about these a lot in coming videos because these are my new favorite things. They come in a 3-pack. This color is my favorite. It's cherry, and it's meant if you have something stained that got like chipped away, to color it in. But I've been using these to stain things. So much easier than using stain, y'all. You'll see in a second. And then you'll need some popsicle sticks for the magnet thing that I want to make. So anyway, yeah, let's get started. All right, guys, I love this cork. I don't know if you've seen my other project, but I love this cork from Dollar Tree. It's got self-adhesive. I got a little piece I didn't need there. It's got self-adhesive, so you can stick it to anything. I'm assuming I could stick it to the wall and it's going to stay there. That's my hope and dream there. So what I'm doing is I might cut it down, but I might just leave it like this. I might make it a little shorter. I don't know. If I had the full piece, it might be better, but I haven't seen these at my Dollar Tree. I'm going to have to go back and keep going back to see if I can find more. I'm just simply going to glue some of these on. But before I glue them on, I'm going to try to not have to stain them. Just take my little stain marker. This is my favorite color. You guys, I swear by these. These are awesome. I'll show you in a second how you can like stain stuff. But all I'm going to do is just take one little swipe up. Cute. I guess I could do the whole thing. It might just be a pain because of this, and I don't really want to do it. So I think I'm only going to stain the front of the clip. I like the way it gives it a little bit of dimension. So anyway, I'm going to figure out where I want to put things like this. I don't know if I should just do straight across or if I should do it a little more like sporadic and haphazardly, but I guess we'll look at that. So get a couple more of these straight down. This one looks so much darker. Interesting. I didn't know if these would be finished or not, but they're working. They still look a bit different colors. I don't know. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments if you think I should do this straight across. This isn't working. Okay, there it goes. Like 4 across, or should I do them like sporadic like I would if they were like push pins, just like, you know, randomly, maybe? I don't know. I think I'm gonna do 4 across. I'm more of a straight line kind of gal, I guess. I feel like this is taking up so much of the video, just showing you guys something repetitively, me coloring this. Anyway, you guys, so all I'm going to do is take a hot glue gun, make sure these are spaced. I'm just going to eyeball it, you guys. I'm not going to measure it because that's not how I roll. All right, guys, what do you think? Does that look good? I think if I did it sporadically, it would also look amazing. I'm going to take my hot glue gun, hot glue also from Dollar Tree. I just hot glued my table, y'all. All right, so I'm just going to add a little bit. Of course, you can use Crafter's glue or, you know, whatever you have. I'm pretty sure that your notes are not going to be heavy enough to pull it off. Or maybe you got some heavy stationery. Who knows? Yes, I love the way this looks. I love the way this looks. Okay, I'm going to finish gluing this really quick off camera, and then I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do with it. I'm super excited about this. Actually, yeah. Okay, bye. All right, guys, so next I'm going to take one of these, take the stick off the back, and make this into a wooden sign, but not just a sign, one that has a clip or maybe two to put a photo or a note or something of that. This might be really good for leaving notes. So anyway, my trick for these, if you haven't seen my videos yet, is this guy right here. They come in a 3-pack. 3-pack for $1 at Dollar Tree. So instead of having to break out my stain, and maybe you don't have a place to go for stain or you just don't have any stain, this is so much quicker if you have a smaller item than staining something. So I like the cherry. I think it looks more like walnut, to be honest. You can't color on it willy-nilly. It totally, I have a whole video where I tried it for the first time. I'll link it below. But if you do it willy-nilly, you can tell it's a marker. This is meant to like fill in holes if there's like a nick out of your something that's stained. So anyway, the whole trick to this is you have to start from one side and go all the way to the other. It doesn't matter if they overlap this way, it's fine. Just don't go like this, and you can tell it's the strokes. And you may want to use a polyurethane or a sealant or something on this when you're done. Totes my goats, up to you. But as long as you do straight lines, it looks amazing. And you can do multiple layers if you want. I think this is so much easier than using stain. Yes? Huh? Better than stain? So anyway, I'm going to finish this off camera really quickly. Making sure to, be careful on the sides and the top. And then I'll be right back and show you what we're going to do to finish it. All right, guys, I got it done. I don't think I'm going to stain these. I could stain them a different color. I kind of like just the way they look. And I think I might just put one in the middle. I could technically put a couple maybe with like, 2 wallet size photos or something. But I think I might just do one in the middle. Maybe like 2 together. And then these 2 can hold 1 photo. Does that make sense? I think I like that better than like 1 dinky one. I think I want 2 to hold it. Huh? Looks kind of like rabbit ears. All right, so I'm going to get my glue gun. Of course, you can use whatever glue you're wanting to use. And put a little bit of glue here. Dun, 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 dun. And I'm just freehanding, eyeballing. There. Okay, and then this one needs to be about the same. Nope. About there? Sure, why not? As long as I can hold the same photo without looking stupid, I think it will be fine. Da, 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 da. Okay, perfect. Ta-da! Very cute! All right, let's go put a picture on it and see how it looks. All right, so I have done one of the sticks. I'm doing these popsicle sticks. I think these look cute. The same way that I did the other craft, where I'm starting in one end, making sure not to stop, not to make coloring motions. If it isn't straight, it looks perfectly fine. As long as you start from one end and don't start in the middle, because then it'll look like a marker. I wonder if you could do this with just regular brown markers, or if there's something in these markers that makes them more, I mean, the color obviously is very nice, but I'm obsessed with this color marker. It's the cherry color. And then I'm going to do the edges in case they can be seen. My cat is wondering what's happening. Hey, buddy. Oh, is that the cat or you?
Me.
That's my husband in the hall closet. What you doing? No answer. All right, let's see what we got. There. Okay, so here's my thought. We're going to put a picture in these. So they're going to be magnets, right? Pictures in the middle. These are going to hold the picture on. And they're obviously we need magnets. So you can get magnets, by the way, at Dollar Tree now, which is super awesome. The thing is, this came from an inspiration photo. I will try to find it. Where they put a picture on the wall, and you can get like these clamps that basically like hold the poster or picture at the top or bottom. So I'm gonna try to recreate that, but it is gonna have these. I could technically like take the picture and like glue it in between 2 of them like this, which I may actually do for a different video. I actually really like that idea. But anyway, to make things a little easier, I'm gonna use these because I like the clips. So I'm gonna use 2 on each one. Do I want to stain them the same color or leave them? I think I want to leave them. Actually, I might try a different stain color. What do you guys think? I'm going to try the oak. Let's see what color the oak looks like. Okay, guys. There's the oak. It is actually, I think it looks more like a marker than this. I think it kind of looks like I did it with marker. Do I like it? Not up against that. No, I'm not keeping that one. The cherry, man, I'm telling you, that's where it's at. It looks like a walnut. All right, so I have these and these. And then, of course, my magnet. I'm going to put the magnet on the back first because I think it'd be easier. If this is on the bottom, it might be, you know, hard. So we'll flip these over and cut my magnet. You can get just like the dot magnets also at Dollar Tree. Just make sure they're going to fit well on your project. Just going to cut a piece off. You can get magnet like this super cheap at the craft store, by the way. Yes, okay. And then mine is has self-adhesive on it. Of course, you can totally hot glue it, whatever y'all are wanting to do. I'm just gonna stick that on the back, push down really well. Bump, 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 bump. And then, of course, on the bottom one. Okay, so are my children fighting? Okay, so now I'm going to hot glue these on. I don't know if I should glue it to where these are sticking up or these are sticking down. I think I'm gonna do it to where it's sticking down. So let's do this. I'm gonna do the top of the clip in line with the top and bottom. I think I'm gonna do it like toward the edge here. This might also look better if you cut the rounded tips off. You may like that better. It's up to you. Just gonna make sure they're kind of like gonna be spaced the same on each side so they look the same. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of glue. Make sure it's spaced the same. I'm just gonna kind of choose one of these. This one's seen better days. I didn't need to add glue the whole way down it. I didn't do it quick enough. Next. I only needed to add glue to the top. What kind of glue do you guys like to use? Are you a hot glue fanatic like I am? Do you like to use E6000, craft glue? What's your jam? Because I use hot glue for projects that probably would be better off with the different types of glue. But I've always been a hot glue junkie. I don't know what it is. Hot glue just like, I like the instantaneous, it's done, it's glued, it dries. What are y'all fighting about? What are y'all fighting about? Anybody else's kids like to fight over small little things? Because mine do. All right. Anyway, I like the instantaneous, like it's dry, like instant gratification. My project is done. I don't have to wait for it to dry. Sometimes you got to use, you know, other types of glue, but I love this instant. All right, guys. So my plan is I will put these on the fridge like this and then clip a photo in between. Let's go see what it looks like. All right, guys, that is it. I hope you liked the video. Please stay subscribed for DIYs every single week. And if you have any suggestions on what else I can use these for, please let me know. I think I may have bought too many. All right, that's it. Please thumbs up, you know, the whole thing. Bye, y'all. Love you. Thanks for watching.